Hello everybody. In this video I will introduce a new project that we're going to be doing in the next series. And I believe I will start out to do it in 3-4 videos, more or less. And it's actually a big project, well, somehow, but I want to show you how to do it from scratch. But I want to do something different right now. So the project's already done. As you can see, I already have the project created, and I want you to guide you through the project to see what it actually is. So at the beginning, we have a movie database system, and it doesn't have anything. Have a navbar, have a footer in there. We added just some copyright information for the information. We are going to get information from the movie database, and you cannot do anything if you doesn't log in. So the idea here is to have a list of the most common or the most common movies that we have at the moment, and you can see them that they went through the system, and they go to the latest most famous movies that we have, depending the database how they actually catalogate that. But you can see we have, I believe, 20 movies around, and then on the end we have navbar that will show you how to use the navbar so we can actually navigate through new movies. And not only that, I will show you how to implement the likes button. Let's say, for example, this one. And the like is going to get saved. So even if we restart the application, let's do a simple restart. Oh, it's not running somehow. Sorry, my server just stopped. Let's run it again. There you go. So we have those likes over there. If we restart it, you can see those are actually persistent because they are saved. But not only that, I want to show also how to create some comments about it. And you have some kind of pop-up with the image of that particular movie. We can see like Mortal Kombat over here, and if we click, let me actually close this. And let's open Godzilla. We have the Godzilla vs. Kong at the background. And let's use the Thunder Force, for example. And we have them on the background. And we can actually add comment. And the comment is going to be saved. It is going to be put over there. Of course, that will allow us to have something like this. Let me actually show you that. The cool thing about this, it's not designed about the size. I was not created to the responsive. So if I put a comment here, automatically get saved to the other page. So that means this is a real-time communication, and we'll set a real-time process through the comment. It's pretty neat, actually. Well, here we can see just one account, but you can see that both browsers actually get updated with that info. And the likes again. So it's a bigger project that the one that we usually do. It's not actually that big, but the difference here is that we're using 3 different services in order to make this application run. The first one, we're using Firebase for the authentication purpose. So you don't see it over here, it goes automatically, but it goes to my Gmail account. And we're able to directly connect, and we're able to pull up until we just connect right to the app. It uses the movie database. It's an API, a third-party API, to pull up posters and movie information, even the background that we can actually see over here. We are using Firebase for the comments, so they can actually be some kind of real-time comments, so like a real-time chat if you want, right? And we are using a Node.js application for the likes. And those are getting saved in a Node.js application. So this application itself, it uses 3 different sources of information. And it's just an example for the kind of application that I actually want you to do. It doesn't mean that you need to have more than one resources to pull out information. I just want to show you that it's possible to use different resources and save information in different places and actually make it work. So in my databases, I've actually not saved anything from the movies, just the ID, and I'm making the comments in Firestore, and I'm making the likes on Node.js with a SQLite. So that's going to be the project that we're going to be doing. So I'm thinking that actually we'll be putting it in four different places. So the first one will be the layout with the authentication. The second one will be the movies API. The third one will be the likes section, and the fourth one will be the Firebase. So during those 4 videos, you can actually skip any of those if you want. Right? If you don't want to go through the process how to create the layout, that's okay. If you want to come up with your own layout, you can actually do that. You want to see, okay, how can I make the application call the API? You can go to second video. You want to see just, okay, I want to revise again how to do the Node.js backend integration. You can jump to the other video, to the third video, or if you want to use just the Firestore for the communication, you can actually see that too. So I will show you the 3 different ways in different videos, and the first video will be actually the layout with the authentication piece. So for now, let's get started.